Good morning, everyone. It is June the 5th. It is our first job of the day. Walking up these stairs. First concern that I see is the nose caps of the stairs are quite red. But then if you come up to the living room, you can see in their backyard how it's very muddy and the dogs have tracked that into the home. Pretty solid traffic area, just straight mud. I don't know how good it's coming up on the camera, but trust me, it's quite soiled. Bedrooms aren't too bad, except for the master. Obviously, it's always seems to be the party place. Now we're gonna start with some vacuuming. I'll probably show you guys some results from that because it's probably gonna be quite filled with all this just. Is this mud or clay? I'm gonna guess it's clay.
Red clay mud, I guess.
Same difference. We'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so I've only done the edges in the living room, dining room, hallway. And I've already gotten that much, which is pretty incredible, actually. And you can see that this carpet has been vacuumed. Well, vacuumed by the previous tenants. You can see these half-ass vacuum lines. I'll probably just set you guys up on a time lapse of this vacuum and I'll show you what I got out. Alright, so just finished the dining room. Just look at all of that just silt sitting on the bottom of the container. It's nuts. Oh, looks like it's started to rain outside. Alright, I'm gonna get done with this living room. I'll just put you guys on another time lapse. Now what he's doing is pretty interesting. We have this. It's open. I stepped on the lid and broke it a couple weeks ago, but nothing a little duct tape can't fix. Alright, this is a dry cleaning compound, which is pretty much, almost looks like a sawdust. But what he's doing is sprinkling it down on these really bad traffic areas and vacuuming it back up just to get the extra little dry soil out, because if we get any of that wet, it's obviously just going to turn into mud, so the most we can get out, the better. Just got done with the living room. On to the next areas. Alright, so just got done with the vacuuming upstairs and check that out. That is insane. I still have 2 rooms and a staircase to do down there, but it's not nearly as bad. I'm not going to show that. Check out what he got. He just did this area, right?
Yeah. So that's where the
dry compound.
dry compound.
That is nuts. Alright, next step we're going to start pre-spraying and start with the extraction. Alright, so we just got done with these back 3 bedrooms. I didn't really think it was necessary to film any of them because the lighting kind of sucked at every single one of them, but it turned out pretty good. I did this. Turned out awesome. show you guys this area, and then I'll just put you guys on the tripod and do a time lapse of the rest, and I'll show some results afterwards. Here, do a drive forward pass on the next one. Look at that. Oh yeah. What we're dealing with on this one. Thankfully it's nylon. It's probably the only saving grace in this carpet. Alright, finished product, it looks awesome. I would show you guys around a little bit more, but I really don't want to walk on it considering how much work we just put into this. We haven't done the stairs yet, or the room down there which he's at, but I'm not going to record that. I'll just put you guys on a little time lapse, and that should do it for this job at least. Thanks for watching.